currently, right Levi? We are currently at Tuning's, I don't know what the name is, Wild Wild West, something, something. There we go, there's some horsies out back, the pool. Lucifer's gonna explore the slide. Loki being all happy to be here, out and about. And we have to ask the pool guy Al from our Countertop here. This is my first time on the job since last year. And this is all new. So we are going to pull these form boards off, and as you can see, there's yet another mold that makes up the edge of this countertop.
A long way to go.
Can you tell what's inside?
What do you think it's gonna look like?
Drum roll. Here it is. Look at that. It actually looks like there's this French dessert. Kind of those hairballs. That was a good shot. It looks really cool.
I think it turned out okay.
Really? All that?
All that.
Oh my god.
We've been waiting. We're like, when's he gonna come take
Oh,
it
that's
off?
fun. That's awesome.
Did you know what it was when it went
Yeah,
on?
we saw,
Okay.
we saw all this
When we
before
were-
he put it in. He told us about how he did it and everything. Ah, I love it. How cool is that?
You know, polished it.
It'll be all
It'd
smooth.
be cool.
Have you seen it yet?
Just from the window.
Yeah. It did turn out pretty cool.
That's exciting stuff.
I just kidding. You had a good response.
No, that we but look at the you can see the strings. The detail is just. Oh, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy.